All right, y'all, I got so excited. Forgot to do the unboxing, but we have the bar and mirror cat eye BM-45. Y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see now. All right, so here it is, installed, ready to go. Yeah, so y'all see it there. Let y'all know what I think about it. Right now, it's looking great, just what I need. It's when I know them cars are coming and they don't buzz me. So yeah, got it installed. Got the new gator skins installed on here. So we ready to roll. Do some intervals, hanging out. Gonna pack my saddlebag with the necessities, my tubes, my CO2s, all that good stuff. So, all right, y'all. I'll let you know how this BM-45 goes. Put a mirror on your bike, y'all. Put a mirror on your bike. You see that? Heard a cyclist got killed in the area not too long ago. Got ran over when there was a whole lane open. And so I went out and bought a cat eye BM-45. And I tell you what, after using it for about a week now, yeah, a week, it is the best. So yeah, cat eye BM-45, y'all, the best investment. You can see when cars are coming up on you. You see when they're getting close to you. You know when they're gonna buzz you. You know when they might possibly hit you. So because of that, you always are aware of what's going on around you, and that is the best preventative measure you could take when you're out there on the roads. And you know, these people, they just hate cyclists for one reason or the other. Who knows? But I'll tell you what, get a mirror and put a mirror on your bike. Put a mirror on your bike so you're not looking back. Why are we doing oxygen vector doping? Hemoglobin's 220, 250, and we're looking back. Put a mirror on your bike, y'all. Put a mirror on your bike. It's the only way to go. Yeah, I highly recommend it for safety measures, safety precautions. I mean, ever since I started riding with, I just can't see myself going back to riding without one. So, yeah, highly recommend it. If you don't have one, go out and get it. Cat Eye BM-45. It's just the one that I picked. I really like it. I rate it. I mean, it's got a nice viewing circle there where you could see everything behind you. It's very adjustable, every single which way angle you can think of. So if you ain't got a mirror on your bike, go get one, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. Leave your comment section down in the comments below. Always like forward to hearing from our viewers and what y'all think. Y'all got mirrors on your bike? If you do, let me know what kind you used. How much did it cost? The Cat Eye BM-45 cost $12, 12 American dollars. So not that expensive. Even a homeless person could afford it. All right, y'all. Take care.